Today's prompt is a great prompt for everyone. So this prompt is summarize all the emails I received today in a single report by, urgent needs reply today, important can wait 48 hours, and FYI, and draft short replies for the urgent ones in my tone of voice. So I'm not going to hit play on this because it'll release a bunch of private information about me and whoever I'm communicating with, but this is a great tool if you're using Microsoft Copilot to quickly, before you end your day, to determine, hey, what you may want to respond to before you leave. It's also a great prompt to give to your team to say, hey, before you clock out or walk out of the office for the day, run this prompt so that you're not making sure that anything that's urgent gets missed, doesn't get missed for your team. So run this prompt, recommend it to your team so that all your customers are responded to in the day that they send the original message.